Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to change Google Chrome language in mobile. It is a very easy and simple process and I give the multiple solution to fix this problem. Here is my Google Chrome and it is in some foreign language. I don't know which language is that, and also I go to the settings and it is also in some foreign language. It is in Chinese or any other or Japanese language, I don't know, and we are also going to fix this problem. First we go to our simple step and then go to the advanced. First simple step is go to the your settings. First step is go to the, or first method is go to your settings, minimize it and go to the here settings. Click on this settings icons, click on the settings on your mobile. In settings, here we find search settings. Click on search settings and here type language and search for the language. Search for the language, type language and search for the language. Depending on your mobile model number or the OS, your language options are different, but basic thing is same. Click on the languages. First click on the languages or the language and set your language as a English United States or English with your country name. I go with the languages first and click at here. And I am going with the English India. You can also go with the English United Kingdom or English United States as you like, and go to the back, select this. After that, go to your second language option, click on that, and also go to the use system language, click at here, or language, click on here and select use system language or English India or English United States or English UK, any language that you like with the English. Okay. Next step is go to the back and do this same thing with this also. If any language option is available, language is default, and if you want to select English India or English United Kingdom, then select that and change that language also. I go with the default. My default language is English. Also language and input has the same option. Okay, this is our first method. Go to the back. Now go to the Google Chrome. Our second method, go to the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, here we find at these three dots where we find settings, click at here. In settings, here we find our language is changed to any other language and we want to change that language. That is also simple process. First go to your Google Chrome, and here at the top we find three dots. Click on these three dots, scroll down and here we find gear icon. Gear icon means settings. Symbol of the gear icon is settings. Search for the settings or the gear icon on this all things. In all these tabs, search for the settings, click on the settings. In a settings, here you find many options. Scroll down and from this list, find the language option. Sometimes it is in 3 number. In this case, in my case, it is in 3 number. In your case, it is in 4, 5, 2, 3. Search for the settings. In this case, I directly click on the 3 number. You can search, click on the other links and search for the settings or language. I am click on this language button, click on the language button and it's directly go to the language. And here we find this is the first number, and this is the language. After this Chrome, here we find one option, which language is I don't know. Click at here. And here we find many options. You can change any language that you want, French, Japanese, Chinese, Indian, or any language in the world that available on your mobile is available at here. Change that. I prefer to English United States, so I click on English United States. Here we find relaunch. This is the relaunch button on the Chrome at the bottom. Click on relaunch Chrome and it's relaunch your Chrome. And this time click on these three dots once again. And this time it is in English. This is our second method. And if this all method is not work, then I give you the third method. Here we find it is in some foreign language. Okay, that is our problem. And the solution is very simple. I first search for the something. Okay, and it is in some foreign language. Okay, now go to the google.com or the Google, go to the Google first page. And it is in some foreign language. Then go to the here. Here we find Google and something like that. Okay, don't know what is this. Then go to the here English. Find English from this all list and click on English. It is changed to other language. Then click on the English and it's back to the English. But some files or this is not changed to English. Then once again click out here. Wait for a few seconds and it is changed to the English. Here we find it is in English. It is in English and all search options are now in English. And the next step is if you want to change any page or the translate any page in a Google Chrome. That is also very simple. Click it here. I search for the cricket. You can search for anything. I search for the cricket and I want to go to any article. I go to this article, click on that article, and I want to change this article language. That is also very easy and simple. Go to the top of your website or the web page and go to your three dot. Click on this three dot. Here we find translate. Click on the translate. In a translate, here we find language. This is a gear icon. This is a settings icons. Click on that and more language. And I want to go to the German. So I search for the German. You can search for the any language that you like. I go with the Dutchies or the German. Here we find German. I click on the German and here we find it's changed to the German. Now it is in German language. If you can change it from any language to any other language, from English to English Australia, or German, Dutch, Spain, or the Spanish, or the Hindi, or any Indian language, or Urdu, Kannada, or any language that you want. I change to the German language. You can change to the any language that you want. So guys, this is the multiple options or multiple methods to change language in Google Chrome on any mobile by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.